how to do some top rock. We just learned how to do some footwork. Now let's take it one step further and get a little period on top of this sentence. Let's do one basic freeze. Let's do the baby freeze real quick. Now this one's a little bit tough. This one's gonna take a little bit of strength and a little bit of practice. Once you get it down, you're gonna do something that a lot of people can't do. It's gonna make you seem super strong. So what we're gonna do is take our right hand, or if you're left-handed, do this all on the opposite side. But I'm gonna show you guys from the right-hand side. Take your right hand, and you're gonna take your elbow, right elbow, and stick it into where your hip meets your stomach. There's gonna be a little indent here. You don't wanna too far to the side or it's gonna slip off. You wanna try to take your elbow, put it in the inside, and let it hook into your hip. Now, we're gonna take our palm and we're gonna face our hand to the direction we're going. So right hand pointed to the right side, left hand, you're gonna point your hand to the left side. Now what we're gonna do to get into this easy is go to our knees, take our right hand, make sure it's in there, make sure our hand is going to the right side. Take our left hand, place it down, maybe a foot away from your hand, just to give it some balance. You're gonna mostly be on your dominant hand. You're gonna start to squat into this position. And what you can do is go up into a push-up position and just relax onto this. If this feels okay, you can move on to the next part. If it feels a little bit heavy, just do this. Get up, roll your wrist out, stretch it a little bit, go back, and keep doing this every day. After a week or so, you'll be fine doing this. Move on to the next step. So the second step to this, after we get into a push-up position with our hand in, I want to take my head and lean it against the floor. I don't want my head all the way up here, and I don't want my head squished against the floor. I want to use what we call the crown or the halo of our head and rest it on the floor to give us a little bit of stability. So I'm going to have my right hand, dominant weight, my left hand is counterbalance, and my head is going to also help keep me up. Push up, into the freeze, head down. Now what we're going to do, lift up our right leg. So if that feels comfortable, go on to the next step. If it doesn't, just keep practicing this a little bit. In a couple days, you'll be fine to do the next step. The fourth step, we're going to get up into this freeze. So I gotta lift up my last foot. So push-up position, bring my right hand in, facing outside to the right. Go into the freeze, put my head down on the floor, onto the halo. Bring up my right foot as much as I can, arching this foot back. And then I'm gonna slowly move my foot up towards my hand until I can lift it up. Okay, show you one more side. Push up, right hand comes in, head down, right foot up. Slowly sneak that foot up there so you can balance. And if you want a challenge, try to lift up your head. There we go. I'm B-Boy Push, and you just learned how to do the baby freeze.